Hello, welcome to Coding Cave. My name is Andre,
And I'm Chris.
and today
Uh,
will be our second installment of our Elm programming series. And today we'll be touching on how to install Elm.
Great. So, in order to get started with our series, you need to have a running version of Elm. The easiest way to do that is you can go to the link in our description, and it will take you to the Elm website where you can install the binary. I'm currently running on Mac OS, so I'm going to go ahead and install this. And that will open the installer. And I already have Elm installed, so I'm going to stop here. But you get the gist. If you are familiar with npm, you can also install Elm by doing npm install, and you want to install it globally, npm install -g Elm. But I already have Elm. For our next video, we're only going to be utilizing the REPL. So if you want to just follow along for that, you can do npx Elm REPL. And then you're ready for our next video. All right.
Give us a like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for our next video on Elm values.